When deciding on a plan of attack, there's an important consideration that needs to be addressed. You will need to determine if this will be a destructive or non-destructive test. Let's take a look at the characteristics of both. Non-destructive testing does not attempt any tests that might impact the integrity or availability of services and data. A penetration tester may choose to target non-production systems for highly unstable exploitation attempts, but might choose to test production areas for the more safe tests or non-destructive tests. Labs emulating the target infrastructure and applications may be built up prior to exploitation attempts on production systems in order to fully understand the consequences of an attack. Non-destructive testing will not include tests such as denial of service or dangerous application attacks that could modify data or table structures. It may also avoid activities that impede business processes. This could include actions that insert false records into databases. Destructive testing will perform any test within the scope of testing. Usually, when performing destructive testing, the scope will not be very limited. Destructive testing is the most realistic measurement a penetration tester has in their toolbox in regards to what a threat agent might be able to accomplish. Penetration testers may not have the unlimited resources and time that an advanced attacker may have, but by removing restrictions on destructive testing, you can really help the penetration tester out to find real issues. During destructive testing, testing will usually not be allowed on production environments. If the tester is able to convince the organization that a production-level destructive test is the right choice to make, it would be a really good idea to ensure that backups and recovery procedures are both up to date, in place, and working as intended. Sometimes labs emulating the target infrastructure and applications may be built up prior to exploitation attempts. This allows the penetration tester to fully understand the consequences of any destructive attacks that they may perform later. Destructive testing will include denial of service attacks and any other tests that may potentially damage the environment. And last but not least, destructive testing may include some activities that could absolutely disrupt business processes.